Hello students, welcome to your channel Pariksha.com. Easy to learn, easy to understand. I am Indranil and today I am going to discuss about ISRO Civil 2018 previous year paper. This video is the seventh part of this video, and this video consists of engineering mathematics, two questions, previous year two question of detailed analysis and explanation. इससे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि अगर मेरा ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा देन प्लीज़ लाइक माय चैनल एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर इट अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स एंड आपकी जो वैल्यूएबल कमेंट्स है वो हमको बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी इंतज़ार के। तो in the first question says that the value of limit extends to 0 log x to the cot x. We need to evaluate the value of limit extends to 0 log x to cot x. Here we will use here L'Hospital rule, but before that, by applying L'Hospital rule, what is the form of L'Hospital rule? L'Hospital rule tells us that we have an indeterminate form 0 by 0 or infinity to infinity. Then all we need to is differentiate the numerator and differentiate the denominator. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है अगर इस limit x tends to 0 log x to the cot x, if we put the value of x tends to 0, if the form will be 0 to 0 or infinity to infinity, then we can apply L'Hospital rule in that particular calculus section. Now here the form in this particular question, if we put the value of x tends to 0, then this is the form will be infinity to infinity. Thus we can apply L'Hospital rule. So before that, applying L'Hospital rule, and one thing that keep in mind in L'Hospital rule, the main thing we need to differentiate the numerator as well as denominator. log x को डिफरेंशिएट करना है और cot x को डिफरेंशिएट करना है बस। उसके बाद भी अगर कुछ आ जाए, मतलब उसके बाद भी अगर x का वैल्यू या फिर y का या फिर z का वैल्यू टेंस टू 0 या फिर जो भी वैल्यू है पुट करके देखा जाए, द फॉर्म इज इन 0 by 0 और इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी, देन जितनी बार आएंगे उतनी बार ही हम लोगों को ये जो वैल्यू है और डिफरेंशिएशन करके जाना है। we need to differentiate it in and then we need to put the value by checking whether the form will be in 0 by 0 or infinity to infinity. If the form is not in 0 by 0 or infinity to infinity, then the value we will take. Okay. Here you can see it is the form of infinity to infinity. So we will differentiate numerator as well as denominator. So the value is coming sin x to the minus x by sin x. By putting the value of x tends to 0, we will get the value of this particular limit which is 0. Okay, now proceeding to the next question. Next question is, a box contains 5 red and 10 green balls. 8 of them are placed in another box. The chances that the latter box contain 2 red ball and 6 green balls are. एक बॉक्स में 5 रेड बॉल है और 10 ग्रीन बॉल्स है। 8 बॉल हमको निकालना है और दूसरी बॉक्स में डालना है। द चांसेस दैट द लेटर बॉक्स कंटेन 2 रेड बॉल एंड 6 green balls. Okay. We will put the equations or the formulas of probability. So before that we need to know what is basics of probability or what is probability, what does it mean. Actually the probability is something strange and it has been defined in different manners. we can define probability in objective or subjective manner. Okay, it's a very strange thing, and define many somebody or many define into a different manner. That means it has explanation in different terms. Okay, statistics is the study of the collection, organization, analysis, and interpretation of data, and it deals with all aspects of the, including the planning of data collection in terms of design of service and experiments. That means statistics is deals with the data, and probability in objective or subjective manner, it defines the particular value or particular dependability of a experiment. Now the some terms or some basics we need to know about probability. Some terms are exhaustive events, mutually exclusive events, equally likely events, odds in favor an event. Many things I will not discuss due to time is very short, but these basic terms you need to know. So फर्स्ट टर्म इज एग्जॉस्टिव इवेंट्स. मैं आपको जो प्रॉब्लम है उसके उसके हेल्प से मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि व्हाट इज एग्जॉस्टिव, म्यूचुअली इक्वली लाइकली इवेंट्स एंड ऑड्स इन द फेवर ऑफ इवेंट. सपोज आप सपोज if I tossing a coin, there are two exhaustive cases, either head or tail, and there is no third possibility. अगर मैं एक कॉइन टॉस किया, ठीक है, तो उसका क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगा, अगर हेड आएगा या फिर टेल आएगा. सो देयर इज नो थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी. सो दिस इवेंट इज कॉल्ड एग्जॉस्टिव इवेंट्स. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज mutually exclusive event. If the occurrence of one of the events produces the occurrence of all other, then each a set of events is said to be mutually exclusive. एग्जाम्पल इसका देता हूँ तो आप लोगों को समझ में थोड़ा आसानी होगी. एग्जाम्पल इसका क्या है, जस्ट एन टॉसिंग अ कॉइन. आई एम टॉसिंग अ कॉइन, either heads comes up or the tail, and both can't happen at the same time. These are the two mutually exclusive cases. कॉइन टॉस कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, आइदर हेड आएगा या फिर टेल आएगा, दोनों एक ही टाइम पे, ठीक है, पैरेलली आ नहीं सकते. तो दिस इवेंट्स आर कॉल्ड म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट्स. नाउ इक्वली लाइकली इवेंट्स, एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ तो आपको समझ में थोड़ा आसानी होगी. व्हेन अ डाई इज थ्रोन, द टर्निंग अप the 6 different faces of the die are exhaustive, mutually exclusive and equally likely events. मैं जब डाई थ्रो करता हूँ, द टर्निंग अप द 6 different faces of the die are exhaustive, mutually exclusive and equally likely events. Now the last one is odds in favor of an event. If a number of ways favorable to an event A in M, if the number of ways favorable to an event that is A in M and the number of ways not favorable to A is N, then the odd in favor of A is M by N and odd against A equals to N by M. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि नंबर ऑफ वेज फेवरेबल टू एन इवेंट M, नंबर ऑफ वेज फेवरेबल क्या है, N है, ठीक है, ए का एम है, सॉरी, एंड नॉट फेवरेबल ए का क्या है, ये है एन. ये फेवरेबल वन है और ये क्या हुआ, नॉन फेवरेबल वन है, ठीक है. देन ऑड इन फेवर ऑफ ए इक्वल्स टू इन फेवर, ऑड इन फेवर ऑफ ए विल बी एम बाई एन. ओके, इसका ए के फेवर में था, ये ए का ए के अगेंस्ट में था. देन the value of odd in favor of A will be M by N and the value of against of it will be A equals to N by M. Oh, okay. Value in favor of A is M by N and value of against of it, that is N by M. Thank you for today. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share my channel also, and give your valuable feedback in the comment section as I have mentioned in earlier. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.